Yo guys, we are back for another video. If you guys like this, hit that follow button, like button. Anyway, this week has been pretty profitable, but I do have to let you guys know that I did slip up a few times because I wanted to learn lessons in a way. I think the L's lesson, same thing, right? So in this case, guys, for this week, for 3 of the trades I took this week, I held 2 of them and both of them came back down to retest. One got out at stop loss, so I lost, 1%. Another one, or less than 1%. And another one, I stopped at break even. And as soon as I stopped at that break even, price shot back up. But anyway, the point is, I was trying to see how far I would go before it would either retrace or if it would even go that high and take my take profit. So I can just have an overview of my risk to reward and how should I hold it, how long I should hold it, for what reasons type of way. And I've realized that when you aim for a certain amount and price starts to reject that area, get out of there. It talks about this in One Trade. It's a book. I listened to the audio and it practically says when price goes against your take profit, get out of there, right? So I didn't really realize it till now. And I'll just show you guys what I did. Here, I went in for Nas here. So it's at the start. It was here. It was perfect, guys. I'm pretty sure I held this all the way up. And you see how it came back down here? I literally held it from here all the way up here. And I let it come back down. But anyway, that's not the point. The point is I got in, I'm pretty sure here at the very bottom, and I was waiting for price to actually break structure and come back to retest. Price broke structure, came back to retest, but it wasn't actually here. I think it was either here. So price went out during this time, it broke structure, and I was like, okay, it was so close to hitting my rectangle area, whatever you call it. It didn't. So I was like, okay, so I just missed out, did I? So price came up, came back down, came up, came back down. I'm pretty sure I got in right here because price came down and actually touched the area. So that's when I was like, okay, let me hop in, because price finally broke and retested the area. So it did. As soon as it did, held it for a bit, boom, boom, boom. Price shot all the way up, but I had a big stop loss. So this was like a kind of 1 of 4, 1 of 5. I was aiming for a 1 to 6.7. Originally, it was supposed to be a 1 of 5 due to the fact that how much I risked was less than what I wanted. So I needed to get the amount I needed, or that I wanted. And in this case, price actually hit the amount I wanted. And when price hit the amount I wanted, it came back down slowly throughout the day. It came actually at the high where, it was perfect, exactly what I needed. So it was like probably a 1 of 4, 1 of 5 because of the risk I put in. Anyway, the point is, started coming back down, right? And I was like, okay, surely price is just coming for a retracement, because on the 4 hour, price just saw, you just saw these big green candles, right? And no red. So in this case, I was like, okay, price come back for a retracement. That's all right. I'll let it ride the wave and stuff like that. And in this case, price came back, took out my stop loss, and then continued going up. But in this case right here, I remember specifically here, I actually scalped this area once again because price came back to retest the area once again, or I took out early. It was one or the other, but I'm pretty sure it broke my stop loss and started coming back up. Retested the area, which I was happy with and comfortable with. So I got in for another trade, and price the next morning came, took my take profit, came back down. So I made my buck. And yeah, that's it for Nasdaq. So Nasdaq was essentially supposed to be 2 W's, exactly what I wanted, but I held one, took out at the right 1 to 3 for the next one, so I wouldn't make the same mistake. And I did the same thing for gold. I literally caught this move right here, guys. It was so clean. Caught this move right here. Price came back down. This is where I was so close to hitting it, but it didn't. Price came back down here. Got in right here, guys, for my risk and reward. I can't put it in because it'll just bring all my other arrows and shit in. So anyway, I got in here. Perfect entry because I was going on the 1 minute time frame. So I think I got here. Price shot up instantly. Started coming back a bit, and this is where it actually came all the way up to 1 to 2, almost 1 to 3. And I was aiming for a 1 to 3, right? But I didn't hit my 1 to 3. And I was like, okay, let me just hold and let me just learn my lesson if price decides to take my stop loss again. But in this case, I wanted to move it to break even. So by the time price came back down, because it was coming back down a new session, was it? No, same session. Sorry about that. I remember that this is 11:30. Start trading kind at 11:30, but price New York session opens at 12:30 now. But anyway, price pushed up during the New York session open, came back to retracing, and in this case it hit my my break even area, and I was like, you know what, I'm out, break even. But obviously when price was going close, it had a little bit of drawdown, and if I would have kept in, I would have still been in the positive. But in this case, yeah, I could have taken out up here, but I just wanted to hold it, see what happened, see what would happen. And in this case, if I didn't put it at break even, price would still be in profits right now. That's really what happened for my 3 trades. All of them would have been positive if I understood what to do with the situation, and I should have taken off my profits if price started moving away from my take profit. But yeah, I didn't do that. But right now, what we're looking at right now, guys, is what we looking at. Look, is this gonna show? Wait a minute, why is it looking like this? Give me a sec, guys. Okay, so we're looking at 2 areas here, guys. Let me just quickly put this on the 4 hour so you have a better understanding and looking. And guys, I'm gonna tell you guys this little secret which I've figured out, right, for better trades. It's honestly put more time into your pre-market analysis. Do this and you'll be way more, like, you'll be starting to get way better trades just instantly off the bat, right? So in this case, I just literally put the pre-market analysis. This took me like probably 13-15 minutes to do both of them. I actually put like effort. I always put effort now due to the fact that the past 2 trades I took, they were beautiful because I actually put an effort for my pre-market analysis. So that's really what happened. I also just do a little quick market overview. So in this case, this is what I'm expecting from gold, but gold can just break through, come back to retest this area, and I'm taking a sell. It's that simple. And we can see here there's gaps in the market. I also have to add that in for my thing. Gaps in the market. So I like how this is looking. All right, it's not looking too bad. If you don't have a plan before you enter the market, don't go in the market at all. And literally these past few days, I've literally done this, and price has literally done exactly what I wanted because I've given out multiple situations. I haven't actually said price is going to go up and up only. I've said if price does this, this will happen. If price does this, I'll do this. They're different outcomes with different opportunities, but I've finally, I've identified them without just me thinking about it. If you guys understand what I'm talking about. Because being a trader requires you to be flexible. Price break structure could be retracement, could be a downtrend reverse, could be reversal to the downtrend. You know, be flexible. We're not investors, we're traders. Damn, I sound like a trader myself, but I ain't there yet, guys. I ain't there yet. I'm just learning. What else did I learn? I'm trying to think of anything else I learned from One Good Trade. Good Trade, what else did I learn from them? Well, I learned a bit from them. Probably later on down the line in my trading career, I'm gonna read the tape. Because I feel like reading the tape is very important. I want to read the tape in such as, because it gives you an edge, an extra edge in the market. The old ones, the oldies, who make lots of money because they experience, the refining, they're just proper traders. They say to read the tape. And I'm trying to figure out how to read the tape for Forex, but Forex ain't stock. You know what I mean? So I may get into tape later down the lines just so I can adapt the ability to read the tape. And if you guys don't know what the tape is, it's auto flow, so you can see the market without looking at charts, essentially. And price looks like it's coming down. I may just go for a 1 and 3 or 1 and 2. I may go for a 1 and 2 in this situation. Depends on how price necessarily reacts. If price reacts pretty well, I may just go for a 1 and 2. Keep it at that. 1 and 1 is the one I'm looking for. 1 and 2 is like, yeah, it's optional. I may risk less as well due to the fact that it's not coming up with too many confluences. That makes sense. I'm getting a liking to the 1 minute time frame because I don't know, it's just faster. You can get in earlier before you get into the 5 minute entries, and makes sense. It's not just senseless. Makes sense. Like right now, it's not senseful. No, so it doesn't have much understanding for me to hop in now because price hasn't even come to my area of trading. You know what I mean? Even if price right now goes up, I'm not entering because it hasn't hit my area, which I'm willing to trade. Price hasn't actually hit my areas just yet. If you guys liked it, hit that like button. We ain't done yet though. We ain't done yet. Because it's only 12 o'clock right now. We're waiting for price to hit 12:30. Once price hits 12:30, we're gonna be back. Once we're back, I'm gonna see if price wants to hit my opportunity areas. We're gonna call them opportunity areas because they can go down or up and I'll still make money, bro. Anyway, peace. I'll catch you guys in probably 2 seconds. Ain't no way, guys. Guys, so we've been on this for a minute. If price comes down and hits this area once more, we may just be goated, guys. We may just be fucking goated, right? Because price broke structure, and it's coming back down. Break and retest may be the most brokenest thing in an uptrend area if price does what I want it to do. We'll see. Price just has to touch this area and it makes it valid. Simple. but we also have to see what price does, right? It's getting close to news, which could fuck up everything. News could just fuck up everything. So I want to get in early, so if price continues to push up with news, but geez. And I'm gonna try scaling in. So I'm zoning out, I ain't gonna lie, but point is, we can get in a bit early. Am I gonna break my rule, guys? We'll see how it reacts. Yeah, we're gonna get in a bit early, guys. If we take an L, we take a fucking L. Just gotta wait, guys. Be patient. 12:50, we have time. You know what's crazy? Price always fakes out like that, and I always see it. Last time I didn't fall for it. This time I did, but it's alright. We'll wait. Now price finally hit it. Let's see what happens to price. We could just get out early, guys. No, price is doing pretty good. Hey, chill. Okay, we need some rejection here. But bro, the momentum pushing down is crazy. But we're in the area to now. But it could come all the way down here as well. But I like this. Hold on. Let me just see. 12:51. Hold on. So I kind of got in a bit late. So it looks like it's actually just gonna break through, but we'll see. Okay, well, price took an L there. It's alright. Gotta wait for price, because price could just come all the way down here. Why is price pushing down like that? Is it literally coming just to clean up this area? So you can see we took an unnecessarily L here. It was a fake out. Didn't even touch the area. I didn't listen to my strategy, so that was my fault completely. 15. Yo, price is looking like it's rejecting. Hold on, let's just stop a bit. Look at what's happening. Price pushed up, made a new high. Where is it heading now? We are going to actually we're not going to enter in here, guys. Even though it seems like we should, we're actually just going to wait and be patient. We're going to see just what happens, because price just broke structure again. So this could have been a fake out pushing down, or it could be coming down here, which is not too bad, because it made a new high coming back down here. We're just going to see what happens to price. Price coming back up. So yeah, we lost $3, but it's alright. Not too deep. Yeah, Nas